New wealth management. Rob, we have been chatting about Inauguration Day all morning long. So now we want to talk about the financial world. What are you expecting?
Yeah, we've been waiting for this day for a while, right, Gabby? We've been talking about it since, forever. 2 years ago when the cycle started, the election happened, now it's finally here. With respect to the Canadian market, we're obviously following energy. Energy is a big thing because of Keystone XL, because Biden's kind of push towards renewable energy becomes front and center. Infrastructure becomes front and center as well because of the promise to spend for that. So Canadian companies dabbling or dealing with infrastructure as well. You know, there's solar, there's anything that's clean, that's green, that's going to likely make a difference with respect to that has been in focus. However, they've already rallied a ton, Gabby, in the last 3-4 months. So remember that the market is always right. So if you're thinking of getting in now, remember that most of the stuff is very well priced in. So be careful if you are thinking of jumping in on a trade, especially if the multiples have rallied so much that it might be too late.
There you go, word of warning. You're also talking about earnings this morning, focusing on Netflix and Morgan Stanley. What's the story there, Rob?
Netflix, they crushed it. Their shares are surging about 13% in pre-market. They now have over 200 million subscribers. They added about 8 million or so subscribers over the quarter, much better than anticipated. That stock is up big. Morgan Stanley, another giant, their earnings and revenue beat estimates for the fourth quarter. Results were helped in part by strong investment banking growth. Shares are up about 2.5% in pre-market trading, Gabby.
Now, Rob, I was watching a couple of stocks for us today. We were talking about Alibaba and Proctor and Gamble.
Yeah, Alibaba's in the news because the stock is going to be up, but more importantly, Chairman and CEO Jack Ma made his first public appearance in 3 months. They've been questioning his whereabouts now for a while, and the Chinese stuff is always, you're wondering what's really happened, but he made an appearance, the stock is up. And then the other one was Proctor and Gamble. Proctor and Gamble, the story there is people continue to buy home products. They do home products. Their revenue came in 13 cents a share above estimates. Expect that stock to be up as well in pre-market trading.
Quick look at those pre-market boards before we let you go, Rob.
The Canadian dollar is up 20 basis points to 78.72. The Dow futures up 89 points to 30,917. If we take a look at gold, it's up $5 to 18.45, and oil continues its rally, up 51 cents to 43.49.
That's our market.